Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This time we have two models to review, back again in the 1 to 500 scale from Herpa. Now once I saw these models in the shop, I looked at the price and I said, wow, because I got this one here for 17 euros, this one here for 20 euros. Wow. I mean, I knew 1 to 500 scale aircraft would be cheaper, but not that cheap. Okay, let's get into the first one here. This is obviously older aircraft, as you can tell also by the state of the box as well. This is LOT Polish Airlines Boeing 737-300 with the registration here. So it shows that probably having a registration was some sort of luxury, question mark. And here we have, apologies for the glare on the box, like as you can see here. This was because I have my flashlight on because the lighting's atrocious. So yeah, there's the price there, and you have some information there, and it's a limited edition, although once I googled this I found like a lot of ads you can buy this aircraft. So I don't know. Okay, let's open this up without further ado. Now obviously I am quite used to the 1 to 400 scale with a lot of detail. Can I open this please? So let's see. That is really small. That is really small. Also, it is a Dash 300, so obviously it is smaller, but wow. Hold on. Let's open it further. Okay, probably should have washed my hands before I'd done this, but whoa. That is really small. I mean, in comparison, like, you know, here's my thumb, you know. So, but that is really clean though. That is really clean. The detail on it as well. Hold on, let me focus. You can see, like, so starting from the front, obviously the door, the cockpit, good detail as well. And then also, if you move onto the engine, you can also see, maybe zooming in would be better, yeah. You can see the logo of LOT there as well, and I think probably the engine manufacturer there, which is really good. You have like a, what could I indicate it on? Yeah, this pencil, why not? Where is it? You can see like the registration right there as well. It's like MC, so that's really good as well. Once we move down further on, you have the registration there, and hold on, focus is really a challenge. So you have the registration over there, over here, and then you also have the Boeing 737-300 sort of sticker info there as well. So from a 1 to 500 scale, from probably a good few years ago, that's really impressive. So here we obviously have the gear and the gear rolls, albeit not as much detail as 1 to 400 scale aircraft. It is still like rollable. So it's registration here, as well as the logo, and yeah, honestly, like a really good aircraft. I'm actually quite surprised. But yeah, for the price, obviously, like I'd buy it again. So yeah, really nice. So let's move on to the next one. Now, obviously, as I was going to set up for this video, I tried to peel off the sticker so I could get a better view of the aircraft. It seems as though I actually peeled a little too much. Maybe that sticker was on it for a while, but also, so obviously before we even go to any detail, Continental Airlines MD80 and 1 to 500 scale as well, since Herpa is literally probably the only 1 to 500 manufacturer that I know. Also something interesting, Boeing MD81. What does that mean? I thought it was McDonnell Douglas. I mean, maybe it was some sort of trademark then. I cannot tell. I don't know. I don't have this sort of knowledge. So if please enlighten me in the comments down below. So here we have, oh, here's a much better picture. There we go. So yeah. With the registration as well. And yeah, some information here. There's a Herpa Wings Club. Wings World bi-monthly magazine for collectors. Ooh. I did not know that. Ah, see. McDonnell Douglas are among the trademarks owned by Boeing, so that's probably why. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, let's just put the box here. Already looking very, very nice. Whoa. That front landing gear. One bad touch, and that is gonna, like, pop off any moment. Okay, let's just put that there. Okay. It is obviously bigger than the 737-300. Albeit I did think the MD80 was smaller than the 737, but I guess not. So here we have the aircraft. That landing gear is tiny. That is absolutely tiny. Hold on, let's zoom in and focus. Like, this is my thumb. I'm not even sure that's like more than like 1 or 2 millimeters. Either way, here we have the front, the door number 1, cockpit windows. You also have, I think, the cargo doors here, which is a good detail. You have emergency doors here. You have the American flag, and the, what does that say? D83 or something. Oh, 883, because the registration over here is November 16883. And obviously you have the globe on the tail, much like United nowadays, and then the same on the other side there as well. So obviously, like, even you can see how absolutely tiny the 883 is over here. You can see like how small that is right there. So really big props to them. So yeah, overall very nice model. This was €20, so yeah, the price is really encouraging for me to start properly collecting 1 to 500. I mean, online they're not even that expensive as well. Like, I mean, sure, like the shipping for is the same price as one of these models. So I think they're usually, I reckon you could get some good ones for like 25-30 euro someplace. Either way, thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.